Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. That's me. Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse. Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math. Answer the 3 questions correctly, and you might get something special. Just type the correct answer into the empty box. Press the Enter key on your keyboard when you think you have the right answer. Problem 1. Problem 2. Problem 3. 0. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Plus, minus, times, divided by, equals. You got it. Great job. That's right. Good one. You're doing fantastic. I can't believe it. You're incredible. You did great. Come here and get your prize. A shiny quarter. Just click on it with the left mouse button to pick it up. Then, when you find something you can use it on, right-click on the object with the quarter selected. That's how you use items, you know. You need to collect 2 notebooks before you can use these doors.
Congratulations! You found all 7 notebooks! Now all you need to do is... get out while you still can!
No running in the halls. No drinking drinks in the halls. No eating food in the halls. No escaping detention in the halls. No entering school faculty-only rooms in the halls. No looking in other people's lockers in the halls. No stabbing people with pencils in the halls. 15 seconds. 30 seconds. 45 seconds. 60 seconds. 99 seconds. Detention for you. You should know better. When will you learn? Your parents will hear about this one.
I want to play with someone. Let's play. Jump rope 10 times in a row. Once you do, I let you go. Ready, go! Oops, you messed up. Let's try again. From the top. Ready, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, that's great. Let's play again sometime soon.
Give me something great. What? No items. No items. No pass. I'll take that. It's mine now. Thanks for the generous donation. I'm gonna take your cane.
Looks like it's sweeping time! Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep!